Hi everyone, it's week 7, and this week we're really working on a full rough draft of your research argument project. It's really important that you have a draft done this week so that you can do some revising and some proofreading, maybe go to a tutor next week. Your final draft will be due next Thursday, so you really want to work hard this week. Again, I know you've been working hard this whole time. So for readings and resources, if you would pay special attention to the refutation PowerPoint in the classic argument documents folder, that's going to give you a bunch of kind of tips and tricks for how to do the refutation part of the classic argument. Read chapter 10, writing tips, and watch Putting It All Together from your textbooks. Then in the writing process chapter, you can read about introductions, conclusions, paragraphing, all of that stuff. That's going to be helpful as you put together your draft. And then finally, review the sample student research argument papers. Those are going to be good models for you to see how this project is put together. Both of the samples are classic arguments, though they're a little bit shorter than they probably should be. They only required 2,500 words on that one. This one requires 3,000 words, so yours will be a little bit longer, but you can still see how they're put together. So do that for yourself. I think models are always really helpful. In terms of activities and assignments, participate in one more peer review discussion. You're going to just give one proof paragraph and have your peers review it. Original post by Tuesday and final replies by Friday, as always. And I highly, highly, highly encourage you to see a tutor in the Writing Center so that you can get a second set of eyes on your draft. You can go as many times as you want, but at least one time through helping out. Getting help from a tutor is a really good idea. You have a bunch of options. You can go to the Writing Center, which is in the library building. You can do a Zoom on demand, which is where you submit a ticket and you ask for a Zoom tutor right then, or you can try to use the virtual Writing Center, which is a nice option. It allows you to make an appointment and see a tutor virtually. So you've got some options. Notice over here, if you haven't already enrolled in the virtual Writing Center, this is the button you can click, and that will give you access and information about the Writing Center. So I would highly, highly, highly encourage you to do that. Otherwise, we're just, head down, working toward the end this semester. It's almost here. You're almost done. Take a breath when you can, but keep working. I'll talk to you soon.